How to customize lock screen notifications on your Google Pixel device. Now I'm currently using the Google Pixel 8, but this should also work on the Google Pixel 8 Pro and most Google Pixel devices. Now first, go to the settings, search for lock screen, click on lock screen, then click here, lock screen, click on privacy. Now, when your phone is locked, you can choose to show all notification content, or you can choose to show some notifications and hide the sensitive notifications, or you can choose not to show any notifications at all. Normally, I just go with the middle, only show sensitive content when the screen is unlocked. That's it. Now, when you turn off your screen and you're in the lock mode, it's not going to show sensitive notifications on your phone. That's it for the video, and thanks for watching.